In this video, we will show you how to install your mass airflow sensor. Let's get started. Okay friends, let's get started on our job. You're going to want to locate the mass airflow sensor, which is located very close to where your air filter housing is. We'll come right over to the wiring. You'll find a squeeze tab where my thumb is, squeeze it, and lift the wiring up and off of the mass airflow sensor. Give it a quick inspection for corrosion. Assuming it looks good, set it aside. Once you've done that, you're going to continue on to your two Phillips head screws that hold this in place. Before you remove this, it's a good idea to make sure there's no dirt or debris in the area. I'll start with my lower bolt. It's a little harder to get to. Inspect your hardware as you remove it. Replace it as necessary. Remove your mass airflow sensor. There it is, friends. When you're installing the mass airflow sensor, it's important that you have it in the proper orientation. When you're looking at the side, you want to make sure that you have the rectangular cutout facing towards where the air filter housing would be. Looking at the other side, it does not have that cutout. Let's take this and slide it into position. Once you have it in there, line up both of your mounting bolt holes and start in each of those mounting bolts. After they're started, snug them up. Make sure it's nice and secure. Continue on to your electrical connector. Press it in, listen for a click. Give it a tug to make sure that's secure as well. After that, go ahead and start up the vehicle. Make sure you don't have a check engine light and you don't have a misfire. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.